Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put your HP OmniBook 5 Flip on a lock screen. To put your device on a lock screen, you either have to press the combination of Windows and L buttons simultaneously, which will instantly put your device on a lock screen no matter which screen you are currently at. Alternative way to do this is by pressing the Start button or the Start icon, go into Power Options and selecting Lock. This will also put your device on the lock screen. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.